Fliki AI Yo, I'll explain all Fliki AI pricing plans features, and I'll show you how to add the best discount code to save big. To use Fliki AI video generator, you have to sign up first. Then you need to upgrade your account. To get a good discount on any Fliki AI pricing plans, use the link below. I add the link in the description. Click on it. Then, you will see this page like as I do. Now click on this start button here. In this page, you can use your Google account to sign up easily. Your account with free trial will create in seconds. This is the main panel in Fliki AI video generator. To upgrade Fliki account, after you log in your panel, click on upgrade option in the top of this page. You will see Fliki pricing panel. You have to read the descriptions. Then choose your favorite plan. In the next page, click on add promotional code. Then add this Fliki AI coupon code. Click on apply button. I added this code in the description. Copy and paste it here. By this code, you will get 20% discount on any plan you choose and can save big. Now let me explain the difference between the Fliki pricing plans. Fliki has monthly and yearly subscription, and has two different plans. Standard and premium. The most important thing is how much is your needs, based on video minutes. If you are a small business and want just to start your business, the starter plan can be a good choice. Fliki starter plan covers 180 minutes video. Each video up to 15 minutes length. You have access to more than 150 ultra-realistic voices, which is good. You can have one voice cloning. And in the Fliki premium plan, you can have up to 600 minutes video. Each video up to 30 minutes length. You can have an unlimited access to AI avatars. You can have 3 voice cloning. And more than 1,000 ultra voiceovers, which are fantastic.